My job is to go out into the community, including classrooms all over the state, and support educators with content aligned with state science standards that has hands-on things. Our goal with the program was basically to bring stuff that maybe would be difficult for an educator to produce in their classroom. So like we have mineral kits that we can bring in, we have this activity we can bring in. You will also be getting one of these boxes, slightly different, but with all the same stuff in it, just the electronic connections that are different. So that will be sent home with you, and if you want me to come out and do it with, I'll drag like Sophia along, that student in the back is a geoscience student, Sophia Rodriguez. I'll drag a student along, we'll come out, we'll do this for you. This activity is extractive metallurgy. Metallurgy, if you ask one of our bosses, Isabel Barton, is the oldest kind of engineering, in their opinion. Metallurgy is a type of material. No, material science is a kind of metallurgy. I have to remember what building I'm in, because metallurgy is the oldest engineering. Basically, it's working with metals, engineering with metals. Today, we're doing extractive metallurgy. We're going to take a rock, much like this one, or the one you have on your table. Not that exact one, there's more rocks in the kit we'll actually be using. We're going to take this apart and remove the copper that's inside of it from it. And because this is an extractive metallurgy activity, we're doing chemistry. I will demonstrate poorly. Your job is to do better than I do. And we're going to measure that by measuring how much copper we produce. So simply, I talked about this the other day, heavy stuff sunk down to the bottom. Then through magmatic processes, mostly in Arizona, the Pacific Plate being sucked under North American continent and introducing water down here into the kind of mantle-ish stuff at the bottom of that plate. When you introduce water into a system that is otherwise closed, weird chemistry stuff happens. Things get strange, pressure moves, the Moore's circle goes boom and hits over there. If you're worried about things falling on you, you really have to worry, because suddenly all the things that you thought were stable start falling around. But it melts all this rock that was not really melty. It was kind of stable, but that water it melts it. Melted rock, if you imagine a lava lamp, hot molten rock is buoyant to some degree.